Hello, friends of friends, friends of YouTube, YouTube of friends. Today we are gathered here today to watch me play Subway Surfers. That's right. I said Subway Surfers. Are you jealous? You jealous that I can play Subway Surfers and you can't? Well, I'm sure you can at home, but God, I hate ads. Leave a comment if you hate ads. As I do. I'm gonna put a comment that says I hate ads. 'Cause that's the truth. It's like 2:30 in the morning. And I'm recording for you guys. You guys should feel special. Not really. It's summer. I stay up this late on a daily basis. But I'm recording. You should feel happy. No, probably not. I haven't posted in so long. Well, I mean, I just posted a video, but other than that one video, I haven't posted in way too long. Way too long. Like, so way that my voice just got, like, all derpy. But if you want, you can go check out that video. It's called The Goats Are Back, ? Cause, I mean, you'll see what it's about, but in the video I talk about, another video that I did that I took off of not Facebook. Why did I say Facebook? God, I'm stupid. See, this is what happens at 2:30 in the morning. But I took it off of YouTube because it had some music in it, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get a strike on that or not, and I really don't want to strike on my channel just yet. What is with all the magnets? So many magnets in the world. It's like we went to a magnet convention and then stole them all. Am I right? Do those even exist? Probably not, but who cares? Am I right? Or am I right? You know, I'm sure like 95% of the general population of scientists care. Whatever, I'm done talking to myself. Oh god, my foot. Because you know, you would still have a foot after that. I don't know what to talk about now. I don't even know, man. Don't even know. Gosh. I almost just died there. Boop. Doot. Meow. Give me that jetpack. Boo. Give me that jetpack. Boo. Give me that jetpack. Boo. Oh my god, I suck. Wasn't fair. I was checking on something. This isn't gonna be very long of a video. It's just shooting out some videos so that I can make you all happy. Oh god, now I have that song stuck in my head. God dang it. I was on a friend's channel and he has a playlist of songs that he did on Minecraft. And that one happy song, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like singing about some dude singing about being happy. I can't get it out of my head now. No! Ah! Aha! Screw you. Screw you and your dog. Ah! Wait. Because you know, a normal human being can make that. What? Give me all that money. Love me that money. Money, boom. I wish I had this much money in real life. I wish I had this much money in real life, man. I would be rich. I'd be a thousandaire. Oh, God. Wow. It was just my luck. Just my freaking luck. Yay. 3 hoverboards that I don't even use. Gonna go and boost some stuff up and then we'll end the video there. I don't want those upgrades. $10,000. Let's do jetpack. Let's do some multiplayer. There we go. Back to the menu. Go away, Game of War. Me. What's new on my characters? Hold on. Boards. What's going on? Star Trail. What does that even do? I don't even know. What is this? Don't even know, man. Go, got that over with. I have Dino. When did I get Dino? Well. What is this? Gold. Rasta. Tagbot. Leave a comment if you know what that skin's from. Prince K, Shine, Jag, Brody, Posh, Jill. Well, I do believe I will end the video off here. So, I will see my friends of friends later, my friends of YouTube later, and my YouTube of friends. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See my friends later.